The popular Telegram game, Hamster Kombat, is making waves as it concludes Season 1 with a major milestone: the upcoming Hamster token airdrop. This event will be one of the largest token distributions, with 60 billion tokens set to be shared among 131 million users. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The Hamster team has already announced plans for Season 2, following the current Interlude season, which promises even more rewards for players. What is Hamster Kombat's Interlude season? Season 1 of Hamster Kombat ended with huge success, attracting 300 million players and millions of social media followers. The Hamster token is now poised to launch on major crypto exchanges like Binance, along with a much-anticipated airdrop. But before Season 2 kicks off, the game has entered an Interlude season. This Interlude season, which began recently, serves as a short, simplified phase between Seasons 1 and 2. Instead of the intense tap-to-earn format, the Interlude focuses on reward collection. Players can complete simple tasks to gather diamonds, which will be valuable in the upcoming season. The dashboard has been updated for this period, and some features, like crypto exchange upgrades, have been removed to make the game more accessible. 3 best tricks to maximize diamond earnings in Hamster Kombat. While there are many ways to earn rewards, these 3 methods stand out for helping players collect the most diamonds during the Interlude season. The Hamster team has hinted that diamonds will play a key role in Season 2, making it crucial to gather as many as possible. 1. Play native hamster games. A major way to earn diamonds is by playing native hamster games, which are now found in the cards section of the dashboard. Previously, these games awarded players keys and coins, but now they offer diamonds exclusively. The games are also available for download in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Players just need to enter a completion code from the game into the Hamster Kombat dashboard to claim their rewards. 2. Complete simple tasks. Another straightforward way to earn diamonds is by completing simple tasks, accessible through the Earn button. These tasks include referring the game to friends, watching Hamster Kombat YouTube videos, or following the game's social media pages. While these tasks are easy, they can feel repetitive. Luckily, the Interlude season only lasts a few weeks. 3. Spend diamonds to earn more. While the traditional tap-to-earn mechanics have been removed, players can still spend diamonds to upgrade their cards in the mine section. Upgraded cards will help players earn even more diamonds, especially during periods of inactivity. However, there's a catch: players must check the game at least once every 3 hours, or the accumulation of diamonds will stop.